Chief Minister N. Biren appeals to people not to let any external forces tarnish the sacred ties existing between the Meiteis and the Kabuis. And Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman accuses Congress President Sonia Gandhi of misleading people over the Citizenship Amendment Act. Hello, welcome to Back News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the headlines in details. Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren has said Manipur will develop and valley regions are equally developed. Inaugurating the two-day Diamond Jubilee celebrations of Kabui communities settlement at Namdulong village in Imphal East today, Chief Minister N. Biren appealed to people not to let any external divisive forces affect the sacred ties existing between the Meiteis and the Kabuis since time immemorial. The Diamond Jubilee celebration was held on the theme Peace, Prosperity and Unity at Namdulong Community Hall. Speaking further, Chief Minister Biren claimed that the present government has settled various long-pending issues in the state. He further wished for a harmonious conclusion of the Indo-Naga peace talks. Biren expressed firm belief that Manipur will become a peaceful state without any issues in the near future. Biren assured that the government will provide all possible help for developing Namdulong village. He was given a warm reception by the villagers in their traditional attires. At the onset of the event, Chief Minister Biren lighted the ceremonial flame. Later, he also unveiled a Diamond Jubilee monolith. Cultural dance and songs performances by the village youths enthralled the audience. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Wangkai MLA Okram Henry, Tamenglong MLA Samuel Zendai and many eminent persons attended the event.
Kabui salang maiba ekoi ipai pugi ekoi na bahap tarak pada magi importance mana lauramba Manipur gi laingangonda oruga Manipur gi khanga higi partam da lauramba madugi role hujik simadu kauna rakpadang na tawbra aduga kauramba da ge mo ningsang no patang na tawbra amadi tawre aina pambadi marak ta lakpa nungsin na hummaga puhungum se koi marak ta lakpa arang araki marak ta lakpa ngahaki oiba ithil na ne ekoi gi puwari gi igi senga ba ekoi relationship to hummaga manghan gumsi hai bina ina thamingi every part of the world the historical mistake like kita bam talaite better future amagi damta dekoi madu puna mukto ngakpi ba kauthongna ba masange valley da lairiba kabui gi chilina khunji koi marfu ni thoi mukki mathakta lei ai khoi ga dom anga oringa degi koi imung dongna koi korengai kabui khunda ga lairi ga do koi imung dongna dum lairi koi adugi setup to koi kahen mum.
Golden Jubilee Steering Committee organized the 112th anniversary cum Golden Jubilee celebration of Unapal village in Technopal district today. Technopal MLA D.K. Korungthang and many people attended the event. Villagers reminisced on the origin of Unapal village on the occasion. Various cultural songs and dance performances marked the event. A consultation program on human trafficking for police officials and other stakeholders was held at Hotel Classic in North AOC today. Manipur Alliance for Child Rights MACR, Sanlab Kolkata, Child Rights and You Cry along with Manipur Police organized the event. Chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission, Khaidem Mani, IZP John Clay Kongsai, Sanlab Secretary Tapoti, Baumik, MACR, Convener Montu Hanthem and representatives of various organizations attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Khaidem Mani said that human trafficking is a brutal crime. He stressed on the crucial role of police, civil society organizations and NGOs in curbing human trafficking, which mostly involves forcing men into labor and women into prostitution. Khaidem Mani said the Manipur Human Rights Commission can extend help in various ways in punishing human traffickers. He said that as per the law, recommendations of the commission should be abided by the police and the authorities concerned. He called on Child Committee, Child Commission Police and Manipur Human Rights Commission to join hands in curbing human trafficking.
Commission singse masi mere recommendation body nate recommendation si in the yada before money high court na tariba court na tayo na tarib si me si faro u natraga saya sultan di pire hai je a kind of recommendation natro state na pangtok tari kamduni human right violate to busing se state na protect to gadamni human right violation di state forces na state ki authority na adugumba kutta kulai sakti le ra kangbu amana michamgi right mangan basa masi bu human right violation na aduga lanai a na b bu phu ba sei ba hat pado adudi human right violation nate madudi crime ni adugi damukta di state na action lokka kadui.
Ahead of Makok's International Meitei Pangal Convention to be held tomorrow, a meeting of the attending delegates was held at City Convention Center in Palace Compound today. Muslim delegates from Manipur and abroad, including those coming from Bangladesh, attended the meet. Speaking on the sidelines, Amokok President S.M. Jalal said tomorrow's convention is a crucial one for Meitei Pangals. He said resolutions taken during the convention will be apprised to the government to convert them into actions. S.M. Jalal said that academic discussions on plausible resolutions will be held during the meet.
Antonganba khoi mafam sing adu da lariba pangan sing adu ki delegate members sing na khoi mafam du da lariba pangan chilinau sing Meitei pangal chilinau sing gi oiba leliba livelihood makhoi culture moi day to day life moi lariba life ki punsi mahing na singba punamak ado mayam da paudam bibaga loina na akhoi delegate member punamak na makhoi de akhoi na khangning adugumba sing ado khangba gi khudong jaba ma akhoi ngasi gi numit asida akhoi oigadori furup asigi masagi top identity amasung masagi top culture asi akhoi malem da ngak tuna akhoi thamnanabagi damakta chetpa firep lominabaga loinana makhata na akhoi gi hayeng pangthok kadoriba convention asida akhoi recommendation ama akhoi
Protests against Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) continue unabated across the country. At least 11 people, including an 8-year-old boy, have lost their lives in Uttar Pradesh as the protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act turned violent in the state on Saturday. According to officials, 4 deaths were reported from Meerut district, while the boy lost his life in a stampede in Varanasi when a violent mob was being chased by police personnel. Violence during the Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act protests has so far claimed lives in Bijnor, Sambhal, Firozabad, Kanpur, Varanasi and Meerut in UP. Mobile internet services remain suspended in Aligarh, Mao, Azamgarh, Lucknow, Kanpur, Bareilly, Shahjahanpur, Ghaziabad, Bulandshahr, Sambhal and Allahabad in view of the protests, and CRPC 144 has been imposed in Gorakhpur. Intense scuffles occurred between police and protesters where more than 40 civilians and 50 police personnel sustained injuries. Police resorted to firing tear gas shells, rubber bullets, and even undertook lathi charge to disperse the protesters. Members of Rashtriya Janata Dal (RJD) also carried out protest demonstration against the act and called a statewide ban in Patna. Karnataka Chief Minister Yediyurappa has visited Mangaluru to take stock of the incident where 2 persons were killed in police firing. Congress Party has also launched anti-CAA campaigns in Kerala. Meanwhile, police has arrested 15 agitators in Old Delhi area. Internet and mobile services have been restored in Meghalaya, and Assam government will hold dialogues with leaders for protesting organizations. On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman accusing Congress President Sonia Gandhi of misleading people over Citizenship Amendment Act. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact. Welcome back to the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has accused Congress President Sonia Gandhi of misleading people over the Citizenship Amendment Act. In a statement, she alleged that the Congress and the parties like TMC, AAP and Left are spreading fears by linking the Citizenship Amendment Act with the NRC, which is not yet formulated. She appealed to protesters to read the law and seek clarification if they needed one and urged them to stay away from the forces which are misleading them and using violence and spreading fear among citizens. Earlier, criticizing the NDA government over the Citizenship Amendment Act, Sonia Gandhi had said that people have the right to raise their voice against wrong decisions and policies of the government. In a video message, she alleged that the center is showing disregard to people's voice. And in sports news, regular coaching classes for rowing, canoeing and kayaking is underway at Takmo Water Sports Complex at Moirang in Bishnupur district. Altogether, 60 boys and 27 girls are taking part in the coaching class held under the aegis of Bishnupur District Canoeing and Kayaking Association. Among them are 16 rowers, 38 canoeists and 33 kayaking players. Senior coach K.H. Indira and PET and Lakshmi NIS are the instructors of the coaching class. Bishnupur District DISO, T.H. Tomba and District Association Secretary R.K. Kedasana along with eminent members of the association have also inspected the condition of the sports complex. Speaking on the sidelines of the inspection visit, Bishnupur District DISO, T.H. Tomba assured to take measures to start regular practice lessons at the complex.
ꯐꯝꯖꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯅꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯂꯝꯕꯦꯟꯁꯤꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯒ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯡꯉꯤ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯀꯗꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯕꯃꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯕꯃꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯐꯂꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ
ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯔꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯐꯤꯜꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤꯃ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯗꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤ ꯌꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯀꯦꯅꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯌꯥꯀꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯜꯔꯦꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯗꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯔꯣꯋꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯧꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ
President of Meitei Council More M. Thoiba kicked off Bengal Cricket Tournament 2019-20 at the playground of More Sunrise Club today. Speaking on the sidelines, M. Thoiba said Tamils begin their settlement in More since the year 1969 and they have been celebrating Pongal's festival by holding various sports events. He said Pongal Cricket Tournament was kicked off as a part of the festival. President of Tamil Sangam More V. Shekhar and President of Hill Tribal Council More Joseph Jinsai Lungdim attended the event. Former world weightlifting champion Padma Shri Saikhom Mirabai Chanu won the women's 49 kg category gold medal to open India's account at the 6th Qatar International Cup in Doha yesterday. Chenu bagged gold with an effort of 194 kg in the Olympic qualifying event, with the points which will come in handy when the final rankings for the Tokyo 2020 cut are done. 24-year-old Mirabai lifted 83 kg in snatch and 111 kg in clean and jerk to finish on top of the podium. However, the performance was below her previous record of lifting 201 kgs. Chennai City will play against Neroka FC in a league match of the ongoing Hero I-League at Chennai's Nehru Stadium at 7 tonight. Yesterday's league match played at Aizaul's Rajiv Gandhi Stadium between Aizaul FC and Minerva Punjab resulted in 3-3 draw. For Aizaul FC, Jonathan scored 1 goal at the 5th minute and Rochardzela scored 2 goals at the 18th and 41st minute. For Minerva Punjab, Makan Chote netted 1 goal and the 6th minute and Sergio Barbosa Silvia Jr. netted 2 goals at the 15th and 90 plus 6 minute of the match. Hyderabad FC will lock horns with ATK in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at Hyderabad's GMC Bala Yogi Athletic Stadium at 7:30 tonight. In yesterday's league match played at Chennai's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Chennai FC defeated Kerala Blasters by 3-1. For the winners, Andres Cambry, Lilianzua Changte and Narzius Vasquez scored the goals at the 4th, 30th and 40th minute respectively, while the lone goal of the losing team was scored by Bartolomeo at the 14th minute of the match. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren appeals to people not to let any external forces tarnish the sacred ties existing between the Meiteis and the Kaburis. And Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman accuses Congress President Sonia Gandhi of misleading people over the Citizenship Amendment Act.